Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide rows in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, you have to open your Google Sheet. Then click and drag to select the rows you want to hide. Now these are the rows I will be hiding. Now all I have to do is right click on the selected rows. Then from the context menu, choose Hide Rows. Google Sheets will confirm the action. Click Hide to confirm. As you see, the selected rows are hidden. That's for today. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.